we're gonna let one of these guys take care of this for me. So Matt Sachs, I think we're gonna get so I just got an email today saying I just got upgraded to Medallion status with Delta. Now what this means is for every dollar I spend on credit, they're gonna give me 7 miles. So this means if I spend $5,000 over the course of 30 days, they're gonna give me 35,000 miles. 35,000 miles. So if I get 35,000 miles, you know, that's equivalent to me getting basically, you know, a flight, a round trip flight, and I can get upgraded to first class. So I got my man getting ready to bring these shoes out here, and I'm gonna use probably my Delta card if I got it on me, and I'm gonna use that because I'm gonna get the points. And that's how you guys want to do it. If you're gonna leverage it strategically. Never spend on credit what you don't have in cash. But if you're gonna blow it, I'm not even gonna say blow it. If you're gonna spend it wisely. You know, I think that's a song. Spend that shit. Spend that shit. Spend that shit, get it right back. I don't know the words, but that's the truth. I thought you forgot about me, man.
Man, we got to go all the way to the 3rd floor, and we got an escalator that's out of order, man. So it takes us longer than usual.
It's all good, man. I was just in Houston this past week, man. I was like, man, I'm gonna get it when I get back to Atlanta.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Make sure it's a size 10 though. 43. I couldn't remember if I did the 9 or the 10. Oh yeah, it was a 10. Oh yeah, y'all getting this? Y'all see this? This is nice and easy. Now I'm gonna get points for this too. That's the kicker. That's what y'all don't know. Oh yeah. Yeah, it should go with what I got on right now too. Do y'all have the red Dior's?
And what's the Chuck kind or
The Chuck kind.
We gotta be like a size 5. Those size 10s in there.
Okay. I'm definitely gonna do these. Y'all see this? Now most people say, well, why would you spend this money on these shoes? Quality, the details. I would also say vibrations as well. You know, the more money you make, the more money you spend, the more money you make when you have that vibration, you have that abundance mentality. But these are just dope, so I gotta do these.